the Hori. Yep, it works for PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4. Stick feels really good, really responsive. Now, I went ahead and swapped out these 6 buttons here with Sama buttons, but these 3 are still the Kuro buttons. You hear the pitch and the Samas and the Kuros. Stick feels pretty good, really good rather. Now, the Kuro buttons, they're not that great at all. Like, they're responsive, but it's kind of hit and miss if you're not hitting somewhere along this outer ring of the button. Unlike the Samas, wherever you touch it, it registers immediately. But this one, you gotta give it a little more force, and along the edge of the button, that's like its sweet spot where it's really responsive. So, I don't know, I'll switch these out at a later date, but I'm not really using them. I mainly only need these 6. Rocking with a little bit of Street Fighter 3 Third Strike, aka the best game ever. Stick responds real good, every direction. Overall, it's a pretty good stick. Mind you, I am no way, shape, or form nowhere near an expert at these things, so it's just my personal experience with the way it feels so far. One thing, I think the stick might be a little too sensitive for me. It's just my preference. So I went ahead and ordered a 2-pound spring to give it a little bit more resistance. That's just for me, but it's great stock. Like, it's pretty good stock. Real Arcade Pro 4 Kai.